Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the life and career of a rising star in the world of motorsport, ConnorMosack. If you love racing and want to know about up-and-coming talents, you're in the right place. Let's get started. ConnorMosack is an American stock car racing driver who's making waves in the NASCAR world. Born on July 29, 1999, in Charlotte, North Carolina, Connor has shown incredible promise and skill since he first got behind the wheel. While still young, he's already achieved some impressive milestones in his career. Connor's journey into motorsports started early, and like many racers, he developed a passion for cars at a young age. Growing up in Charlotte, he was exposed to the racing scene, which helped spark his interest in the sport. He began his racing career in go-karts, quickly demonstrating his ability to navigate the track and compete at a high level. As he progressed, he moved into higher divisions and started making a name for himself. His natural talent and determination paid off, and soon enough, he was competing in some of the most prestigious racing events. Connor's professional career began to take off when he entered the NASCAR scene. In 2021, he competed in the ARCAMenardsSeries, a key stepping stone for many NASCAR drivers. He also competed in the NASCAR XfinitySeries, which allowed him to gain experience and showcase his skills on a national platform. Over time, his performances caught the eye of key figures in the industry, and he earned opportunities to race with some of the best teams in the sport. What sets Connor apart is not just his on-track abilities, but his work ethic and ability to quickly adapt to the fast-paced, competitive world of NASCAR. He's known for being a talented driver who can push his car to the limit while maintaining control in tight situations. In 2023, Connor reached even greater heights in his career. He had a breakthrough year, continuing to showcase his potential in the NASCAR Xfinity Series. His performances made it clear that he's a driver to watch, with many industry insiders keeping a close eye on his progress. He even had the chance to race alongside some of NASCAR's biggest stars, proving he can hold his own in the big leagues. One thing that stands out about Connor is his humility and dedication. He's not just a skilled driver, he's also known for his down-to-earth personality and willingness to learn from those around him. Despite being surrounded by experienced professionals, Connor remains focused on improving and honing his craft, which is a key part of his success. Looking ahead, ConnorMosack's future in NASCAR looks incredibly bright. With his growing experience and talent, he's positioned to become a prominent figure in the world of stock car racing. Fans are excited to see what he'll accomplish next. And it's clear that this is just the beginning of a long and successful career. So there you have it, folks. ConnorMosack, a young and promising talent in the world of NASCAR. He's already made an impression in the ARCA and Xfinity series, and there's no doubt we'll be seeing a lot more of him in the future. Keep an eye on this guy because he's definitely one to watch. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more content on motorsports and rising stars. Until next time, race on.